So, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Decoder. I am Shudhanshu, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code using Python. So, what we're going to need to do first, open any IDE. Here I'm using VS Code, and in its terminal, type pip install QR code in square bracket PIL and hit enter. So it's going to download all the important or required packages in your system. Here in my system, it's already installed, so it says requirements already satisfied. Let's move to our text editor and type import QR code. And we also need some URL. So we create a variable called URL and take input from the user. And we're going to say that enter the URL here, and we strip it out because I don't want any blank spaces. And we also need a path where we're gonna save that QR code. So I'm just saying that QR.png because it is in the image format. And now here we're gonna create one variable called QR, and we're going to call QR code constructor here, and we add some data in this. And what is our data? It is URL. Once it's done, we make it the image format. So we create one new variable called img and type here qr dot make image function. And we're not going to save it image dot save or need path. We're gonna save it, and once all it's done, we're gonna just say print QR code has been generated. Yep, it's done now. Let's check run Python. Yeah, enter. Here I entered my YouTube page URL, and you can see it generated the QR code. When you scan this QR code, it's going to redirect to you my YouTube channel. And that's all for the today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe it. Bye bye. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.